everybody, another video, another day. Today we're going to look at the Nest Protect. Now these are the wired in versions. We're going to be changing, oh, is that upside down? Yes it is, that's weird. We're going to be changing both the downstairs and upstairs current smoke protectors. These are both smoke and carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide even. We seem to have had good reviews. We thought our current ones are probably around 15 years old now. So, and as these do carbon monoxide as well as smoke, I thought this would be a good choice, a good replacement choice. Open the packaging, all sealed. Ah, okay, this is what they look like. It's a big difference from our current ones. Is that in a case? Yeah, it's in a case. So that comes out, yeah. Figure out how to get the back off. There's got to be a way, and then there's got to be a way. Got to be a knack to it. So while hubby is trying to figure out how to take the back plate off, we're just going to have a look inside the box, what's left. Looks like all the other bits and pieces, the wires, screws if needed. Oh, 3 of those. Chris, darling, what are these called? Connector blocks. I haven't got a clue. Not a clue. Okay, so you get 3 connector blocks, 2 coloured wires, 1 blue, 1 brown, and it looks to be 4 screws in there. And then we've got the instruction booklet. It opens up that way. In a nice little pocket. So the nice thing about this is that it'll give you notifications to your phone. Now we've already got the Nest doorbell and we absolutely love that one. Unfortunately, we didn't do a video on it because I didn't think at the time. We were just too excited to get it up and working. And that reminds me, dear, we've still got the Halloween noise, or did you change it? You got the you did change it. Oh, that's all right then. I thought we still had the Halloween jingle for the doorbell, which I thought was nice. We'll have to change it to a Christmas one now, won't we? But I digress. Let's get back to the Nest Protect smoke protectors. I think hubby is still having a problem with his he is. You're still having a problem, you can't undo it. Yeah, it might be best, dear, to look at the instructions. Oh dear, oh dear. Right, so just come into the hallway just to show you what our current smoke detector is. This is just a smoke detector, nothing more. It's wired in. It was already wired in when we bought the property. So we've got one of these down here in the hallway and we've got one upstairs on the landing. So say hello, Dean.
Hello.
Dean's having his lunch.
Fish pie.
Fish pie today, lovely. Right, so hubby, his lordship is still trying to figure out how to take the back plate off. So I'm just going to pause it here and resume when he's figured it out. Okay, we finally figured it out. So this is the back plate that you screw onto the ceiling. So you remove your old one if you've got one there, and then put this one in its place. And so the idea is the alarm will just twist in and click and lock into place. So as I was saying before, you can get notifications on your phone. So if there's any problems, it'll tell you if does it tell you if the battery's low or something? I don't think because we've got like an actual battery in that one as well, like a backup battery should the electric go.
It tells you the battery is low.
All right, so there we are. You're being very quiet, dearest. So yeah, so if you heard that, it does have a small battery in it as well, and it will send a notification to your phone if that's going flat. So we'll just carry on looking through some of these boxes, pamphlets rather, just give you an idea of everything that's included in it. It's funny, everything's going to be linked up to our mobile phones. Our heating's not Nest, is it? What's our heating? Our heating's Bosch. Okay, our heating's Bosch. Our heating's not Nest. So we've got two Nesty items. Okay, so that's basically that pamphlet. Obviously, you can pause the video if you need to, read anything in specific. And then your safety warnings and installation code information on that leaflet. And then the installation leaflet. So as I say, there are two types of this Nest alarm. So make sure you get the right one for you, whether you want it solely battery operated or whether you want it wired in. So there's a table of contents. And the requirements for obviously making this work. Wi-Fi would be helpful, naturally. Diagram of the alarm and its components. And then the setup and installation. Right, it does say we have to test it before we install it, dearest. Make sure that it actually works before you... How do you do that? Other than via the battery? It's a bit weird. Test before you install. Or maybe they mean just wiring it up, but not actually fixing it in place, maybe. I don't know.
I don't read.
Okay, so it includes turning off the power and obviously, because we're talking electrics here, safety first. It does suggest getting a professional to do it. If you've got no clue, like me, I wouldn't have any clue. No clue at all. But, hubby is going to be installing this because he has electrical knowledge and experience, so Like I said, just pause these bits if I'm going too fast. Apologies if I am with this. Oh right, dear, so to make sure you don't stand too close to the alarm when the siren is sounding, otherwise it's harmful to your ears. I bet, because they don't half make a noise, don't they, these alarms. General maintenance. Resetting your Nest Protect if necessary. Wireless interconnect. And that's that. So that is basically what is in the box. So I'm going to pause it again here, and then we'll continue filming when hubby is ready to remove our old one and replace it with this new one. See you in a bit. Part 2, we've already installed one of the Nest alarms. We're going to go and install the second one now. So this is the second one. I think hubby dearest has figured out how to take the back plate off a little easier. And there we are. So the mains goes in there. Let's just see if I can show you the one that we've just put in. So there it is. As you can see, it's a lot smaller than our original one, so it means we're going to have to touch up the paintwork on the ceiling. So we're going to go and put the second one in. Okay, so we've just come back downstairs to set up the Nest, and we're going to do it via the Nest app. So hubby is just doing that now. So I think you're setting up, is it? You've got to take a photo of the serial number, is it, or something, Chris? Yeah. To connect. I think the alarms are nice looking, aren't they? Which is one thing. It certainly makes our old ones, original ones, look a bit Ooh.
Hello from Nest. Ready. Press to test.
It is, yeah, because they're both the same. They are like the doorbell, that's right.
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
You don't have to whisper, love.
Oh. No.
They won't hear you.
Oh, yeah.
So there's the app working. Let me come around this way so I can see so everybody can see what it actually says head on rather than upside down. So obviously you can control it and stuff via the mobile. We're going? Where are we going?
Yeah, the other one.
We're going back. We're going near the other alarm that's up. Do you think that'll help?
Mm-hmm.
That's my son, isn't it? That's our son sneaking away. He's in the study. He's been ever so good. Getting his work done. Right, so how long does this take to go up, Dad, or to set up?
It's not working.
Oh, it's not working. Oh dear. You're showing everybody your socks, Dean.
Yeah.
You are, aren't you? You're showing everybody your socks.
Yeah.
What colour socks have you got on today?
Stripy one and
Press to
yellow.
test.
Ooh. Stripy and yellow ones today.
Yeah. And this was my mate.
That's your mate.
Yeah, my old soft.
Let's start all that again.
Oh, start again.
Stop it and stop.
All right, so we're going to just try it again. These things happen, don't they?
Yeah.
Not everything works first time. So if it doesn't work first time, try it again. So hubby thought it would be best to go buy the one that's already installed to see if that helps.
Yeah.
Ding dong.
Ding.
Hello from Nest. Ready. Press to test.
Cross fingers it works this time. The first one went in easy, didn't it?
No.
Oh, did it not? Oh, I thought it had, with what I heard. Because obviously I was in the sitting room. Well, you guys
I'm
were
going
out
to have to start
here.
it again.
And again? Oh no, round 3. Or take 3. Right, here we go again. That's
Hello
it,
from
ding
Nest.
dong. Gotta scan the back. Your code.
Ready. Press to test.
Is it working this time? How will you know if it's working or not?
There it is.
It is it? What was the difference
Setting
then?
up Wi-Fi.
Oh, I see. Connecting. Did we not have that last time?
No.
No. Now what does it say? Finishing.
Connected.
Ooh. Oh, we've got a green light, guys.
It's not mine. It's colour green.
Green, that's right.
A flash.
Yeah.
Or rose.
Oh, and we get a tick. Can you see the tick, everyone? Yes.
Yeah, see the ticks.
See the tick?
Yeah.
That's a good sign.
Good shines.
Oh, look, and that one on the ceiling's come on as well, look.
Yeah.
Looks like a white light on the video, but it's actually blue.
Yeah, the blue one is.
Right, apologies for how dark it is, but obviously the electric's been turned off. So we're going to go and put the plate in. So these are electrics, we've taken the other one off. So, waiting for Happy to get up there. So back plate goes in. The wire has already been placed, the wires. Hubby did that earlier. Hello.
Hello, sis.
There's Dean helping hold the ladder
Yeah.
while his lordship is screwing in the plate. And you can see the difference in size between our original alarm and the new one. So that's the plate all in, and the wires, all, as I said, has already been put in. And so, it's alarm time. There we go.
Ready. Upstairs. Press to test.
Yeah,
Yeah, I can tell. It's upstairs.
yeah, I tell you.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah, I see it up by there now.
And you can see the blue light this time, can't you?
Yeah, blue light.
Blue light. Yes, both of these, we had to make larger holes. So if you can see our floor, look at the mess. We had to chisel to make the hole wider.
Yeah,
Had to chisel, chisel, chisel.
yeah, Trisha me and Stacey.
There's Dean, being a good un. Holding the ladder for his lordship up here. So is it all it is now is just click into place and voila.
Yeah.
Simple as that.
Do you want that
Cool.
one?
Ready. Upstairs. Press to test. This is only a test. The alarm will sound. The alarm is loud. The test starts in 10 seconds. Press to cancel. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is only a test. Testing smoke.
That's loud.
Testing carbon monoxide.
That's good. There's two different sounds.
Just a moment. Testing smoke.
Oh, and the downstairs one. Oh, off it goes. Oh, sorry. That's loud.
Testing carbon monoxide.
So you get two different sounds so you can tell which one's which. That's so cool. And yes, certainly loud enough, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you think then, hubby, dearest? Are you happy with them? Are you happy with your choice? What
The
did she?
test is finished.
Oh.
Everything looks fine.
Test is finished.
Yeah, everything looks fine. Oh, there we are.
Yeah.
Just to set that up.
Excellent.
Yeah.
You may
Okay, we've got as you can see, we've got some light behind us, and my hubby has just said if we turn the light out, the alarm is meant to glow green to show you that it's working. So do you want to turn it off? There it is. Okay, and then it goes off. And that's that. Oh, and of course movement will make it come on again. Right, this is a second generation alarm, and I believe they're meant to last for about 10 years before needing replacement. If you move, it's meant to come on. Yep, there it is. Look. It's probably quite dark, apologies, but we wanted to show you what it looked like in the dark. So the idea behind that is if it basically comes on when it senses movement and lights up the room a little bit. I can see more than what it's actually showing, but see if it goes off. There it goes. And if I move, on it comes. So there we are.